Amex 9 India, turn left, heading 245 base leg.
Heading 245, Amex 9 India.
Amex 9 India, reduce speed 180 knots.
Speed 180, Amex 9 India. Heading 245.
Air France 96 Golf Yankee, speed 160 knots until 40 me.
160 knots until 40 me, Air France Golf Yankee.
Air France 96 Golf Yankee, contact Birmingham Tower 118.305.
118.305 Tower, Air France Golf Yankee. Thank you, bye.
Bye-bye.
Check.
Amex 9 India, turn left, heading 185, report localizer established.
185 will call you localizer established, Amex 9 India.
Amex 9 India, 14 miles, descend to altitude 2,500 feet.
Descending 2,500.
And
Ascot 1361, further traffic 12 o'clock, range 5 miles in an orbit, indicating 1,000
Flap
feet.
state selected, and you can arm the
Roger, Ascot 1361, look at the traffic fighters.
approach.
Amex 9 India, cleared ILS approach, runway 15.
Cleared to ILS approach, runway 15, Amex 9 India.
That never happens
Lock one is
normally.
armed.
Yep.
Lock one captured, West both is armed.
Yeah. Check.
Beautiful, yeah.
It is.
Amex 9 India, localizer 15 established.
Amex 9 India, thank you, 10 miles. Ascot 1361, traffic now 12 o'clock, 2 miles, indicating 1,500 feet climb.
Ascot 1361, roger, traffic not sighted, but looking.
Amex 9 India, contact, correction, reduce speed as you wish, contact Birmingham Tower 118.305.
Speed on hours and 118.305, Amex 9 India.
Ascot 1361, traffic left 11 o'clock, range 1 mile now, indicating 1,900 feet.
Ascot 1361.
Tower Amex 9 India, localizer 15 established.
Amex 9-1, correction 9 India, Birmingham Tower, continue approach 120 degrees, 11 knots.
Continue approach, and can you advise after landing, should we turn right or left?
It will be a right turn.
Roger.
Landslip
Tango
captured.
7 Tango Alpha,
East
report your level.
3,000.
Check.
Crossing
So
altitude
it's count before.
3,100
Yep.
To the right.
Tango 7 Tango Alpha, thank you, contact London Control 121.030.
London Control 121.030, from Jet 7 Tango Alpha.
Okay, flaps 20 please.
Selected.
121,
Okay,
805.
gear
Thank
down.
you. Air France Golf
Check
Yankee.
down. Selected.
Amex 9 India, runway 15, clear to land 130 degrees, 11 knots.
Clear to land, runway 15, Amex 9 India.
And the flaps roll down to 1 inch.
Flaps down selected. And then here,
Down 3.
spoilers.
Armed.
Flaps down selected and indicated on the skids.
On lights out.
Hydraulic pressure checked. Green band, no steering.
Armed.
Ignition.
On.
Pulling oxy is off. Landing clearance received. Taxi lights are on. The cabin signs are on.
Thank you. And just... Yeah.
Stabilized.
Pilot is on.
Check.
Landing.
Check. 20. 10. Spoilers extended. 2 unlocked, 2 deployed. And Foxtrot is coming shortly.
AMX9 India, vacate right at Foxtrot and taxi stand 503 with the marshaller.
Right, Foxtrot 503 with a marshaller. AMX9 India.
I'll let him check.
AMX9 India, monitor ground 121.805.
121.805 monitor, AMX9 India.